In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your British Airways companion voucher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use your companion voucher and all of its bonuses when you book a flight through the British Airways website. All you have to do is you can either go through the usual flight search option over here at the main menu. So look for your flights and browse through it as usual until you reach the payment window, or alternatively, you can go back to the home page and on the home page, hover over book at the top and then select book a flight with Avios. Regardless of which option you pick, all you have to do is get to the end of the flight booking process. As you can see, when you arrive at this part where you can review your flights, you will see two main options under the flight details: apply an e-voucher or save with Avios. All you have to do now is select add next to apply an e-voucher. In here, you include your email, full name, and then your code, or switch over to promotional code if you have one. After you apply your companion vouchers, you will be able to finish booking the flight with any of the bonuses or discounts that they provide you. You can find all the vouchers that you own after you log in and you access your account page. They will be listed there for you to redeem. There is also information on when they expire and the date in which you redeem them. After you are done, like I said, simply go through the checkout and you will have the option to use them. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your British Airways companion voucher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.